We got a little tech tip for you here today. I'm Alan with Wicked Pecker Off-Road, and something that is missed a lot, we see that comes in the shop when people are maintaining their vehicles, washing their vehicles, whatever, on our Can-Am X3 here, there's a simple thing that gets bypassed that I think is a little comical, so I wanted to share it with you today. So right here in the back of the machine, there's a cover, and you simply pop this cover off. So it goes over the intake for your air box. Has a little sound deadening thing in there. So once you pull that cover up and out of the way, there's a little screen here that has a latch on it that pops out. So you just have a little latch, you pop it up and the whole thing pops out. This is where the air comes into your air box. It goes to your air filter. Well, there's a screen in here that pre-filters the air that goes down to your air filter. This box sucks in every leaf within 100 yards of you on the trail. Every stick, every piece of dirt goes in here, and I've seen these so packed full of leaves and sticks and dirt that I don't know how their engine runs. It's simple. You pull that off and you just turn it over and knock it out on the ground, blow it out with an air hose if you want to, and stick it back in. It takes 30 seconds, and it's the most bypassed piece of maintaining your vehicle that I've ever seen. It's kind of hidden away there, and if your salesman doesn't tell you about it, a lot of people don't know. Now, you guys have been around for a while. I'm sure you're laughing and going, well, yeah, everybody knows about that, but they don't, believe me. Stick it back in, fits down in there, pull your little latch, that's back in. Your box here just has a little push pin, 2 little push pins, and it cups over top of the back bar that goes there. There's even little black marks on there to tell you where it's at. I don't know if that's their purpose or not, but it works. So you slide that over, line up the 2 pins, and pop it back down. And you're done with your little maintenance tip of the day. I'm Alan with Wicked Pecker Off-Road. Go see us at wickedpeckeroffroad.com for all your side-by-side needs.